Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's video I will show you how to make coconut milk. I am Rosie. Welcome to my kitchen. I will be using 2 coconuts. I have them nicely washed. I will break them with the back of a knife. You can also use a hammer to do this as well. Once the coconut is broken, I will open it and transfer the coconut water in a bowl, which is very delicious and healthy. And repeat the process with the second coconut. Next, I will be using a table knife to take the coconut off the shelf. You need a knife that is not very sharp to do this so you don't hurt yourself. And I'll repeat the process until everything is done. And that is done. You can also take out the back of the coconut if you wish with a knife like so. But for me, I'm going to be slicing it and blend everything together. I will slice them into smaller pieces to make the work easy for the blender. Next, you can also use the smallest part of the grater to grate the coconut, and it will be easy for the coconut milk to come out without using the blender. I will give the coconut a quick rinse and transfer it inside the blender. Add hot water. The hot water helps the coconut milk to come out. And blend. I will transfer the blended coconut inside a nut bag. You can also use a strainer to do this as well. I'll tie the bag and squeeze out the coconut milk. The coconut milk is ready, very creamy. It smells amazing and it tasted so delicious. The coconut chaff can be used to make coconut flour. Homemade coconut milk is ready. You can use this for any recipe that calls for coconut milk. And you can store it in the refrigerator as well. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video.